All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. Over this weekend, many people were profiting in the chat. If you want to become a student, I do offer one-to-one mentorship or have a course for anyone that doesn't have too much time. If you just want to be part of the chat, all the links that you need are found in the description and comment section below. So you can either just become a member and join the chat or actually take action and become a student. How's it going, YouTube? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Bitcoin update. Please, if you're new around here, do subscribe and stay posted with these Bitcoin updates. Even if you're not in Bitcoin, it's so vital to stay up to date with these videos. If you know what Bitcoin's going to do, you should know at least what your altcoin will do, as everything follows Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin dump and actually lose the support with the daily candle close. So we were always talking about this initial range that we set over here, where we broke this resistance, met a new swing high, fell back to the old swing high as a swing low, flipping resistance into support. Going forward, we need to maintain this, which is 26,500. Otherwise, this is a loss of this key range low over here. So we saw a daily candle engulfing the previous bull trap, which we actually mentioned 2 days ago on the pump, saying that this is just a pump into key areas of resistance, looking for continuation lower. It's played out exactly as we've predicted on the channel. So yeah, go ahead and smash that like button, comment underneath this to bump up that algorithm so we can get to 10k subscribers as quick as we can. Now, what we would usually say over here is when the 1 fib level, which was 26.5k, is lost, we go ahead and meet these targets. We can see that the 200 EMA has now crossed above the 1414 target, 24,800. So I would anticipate a test of the 1272 as long as price remains below the 1 fib level, 26.5k. So expectation is a retest of 25,357, which also so happens to be that wick support. I'm actually going to draw a line across that. Oh, that's strange. I don't know how it placed two lines. What did I just do? Oh my gosh, this is just an attachment I bought for my pressure washer to wash my car. That's so funny. What did I actually press to get that? What the hell, guys? How do I do it? Oh my gosh, I'm completely lost. I don't even know how I did that. I swear it's Option H. What did I click? Option. Oh my gosh, what am I doing, guys? Apologies. I don't know how I placed those two lines. But anyway, I'm going to just draw one across over here on that wick, the 1.272. My apologies, guys, for all that absolute mess just then. Yeah, I just wanted to check if it was retesting this in the past, and it actually wasn't. So we know that it's an area we can mark it down well, however low you want to do it. If you take it to the 1414, we got some more tests. Technically, you can bring it down to the 1618 as all of these are targets. Some people don't like how these boxes are so big, but you can see previous resistance over here, so it would make sense to be quite a large area. So about this 1k range between 24 to 25.3k. Oh my gosh, that was so funny when I pasted my pressure washer thing I was trying to buy. But yeah, well, carrying on, I wanted to show you a new chart today which actually could suggest that we may not even meet these targets, because although we actually closed below the 1 fib level, look, we actually started rejecting yesterday and even today. So I'm going to show you this new chart, something that we were talking about already in the Discord community over last night. Posted a whole bunch of trades in the community, like bloody hell, I posted like 5 or 6 trades, maybe even more than 5 or 6 trades. And this is obviously, of course, if Bitcoin were to break down and continue going down. So I think we should actually wait for the weekly candle close, and you're going to understand why in a second. But yeah, although the daily time frame has lost the support, technically speaking, we should just now continue low. I'm going to get rid of this line because we know it's one of these targets. I'll be waiting to see if the 200 EMA will be respected. We can see in the past over here had a fake out, so the same situation could actually happen again, hopefully reclaiming it. Otherwise, we would be eventually meeting these two targets down here, almost around the CME gap between 20 to 21k, I think it is. Now I'll bring you over to the other chart that we were talking about in the Discord community. If you want to join the Discord community, all the links you need are pinned in the comment section below and the description down below, and you can become a member that joins the Discord community, where we look at trades. As I mentioned, I posted a whole bunch of trades in there yesterday, a load of shorts on a load of alts, and we also do weekly group calls where we all help each other out. So I'm now going to show you this new Bitcoin chart which is this falling wedge pattern. I've drawn this box over here. You can see this is the exact line going through there, and these multiple touches, but I'm drawing a box, so it's an area of support. We can see that we actually closed within that area of support yesterday, so still holding this area. Look at that rejection. So we did continue lower today. We did actually meet 25 25k. Yeah, no, this is a different fib. I was getting confused. My other fib was from here to there. This is just a different one because we already lost this low over here, this higher low. So with that, you're just coming back to retest it as resistance. And then, yeah, that was that retest of the bearish cross by mistake. So that's why we knew it was a bull trap. And then we got this bearish engulfing, which is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern or bearish continuation. I said reversal because we were going up and it reversed it. Or with this downtrend, you can just say bearish continuation, but only until this key level of support, guys. From this other fib over here, not what we had on the previous chart. I'll just show you quickly. So from that point to that point is on the previous chart. On this other chart is from this point to that point. And we've already lost the one fib level, which so happened to be 27k. And so with that, we should go ahead and meet these targets. We've already met two of them, the 1.272 and the 1.414, down at 25.8k. So we've already tested this level, and that's why we got this initial bounce that actually reclaimed the 1 Fibonacci, but there's more to it. You actually need to go ahead and reclaim this low and then higher low over here. You need to reclaim this higher low, okay? And without doing so, any pumps into that area should just be tests of resistance. We didn't even manage to get through the bearish cross. This is what's actually sending us lower. That's why we've got this bearish engulfing where we were coming up and reversed from that point simply because of the bearish cross. We just need to retest it as resistance, confirm that this is now a daily downtrend. But oh my gosh, Ivy, chill out, man, snoring so loud. Oh, this video has been quite funny. But yeah, looking at this Bitcoin pattern over here, we're still actually holding the support, so still above the 1.272. We would need closes below 26,200 now. So yes, we've cleared that, technically signaling we should go lower, but as we're looking at this new pattern as well as the new fibs, there could be chances of actually bouncing from this point. We've already seen a breakdown today in which we've currently invalidated. There are still 13 hours left, so we need to wait for the daily candle close. This is why, as we were looking at the other chart, I did say let's wait for the weekly candle close, because as we see on this chart, looking at just key levels of support, horizontal ones, not looking at the falling wedge, we can see that price is below, correct. It has an opportunity to actually come back above. Is it just going to be a retest of resistance? Are we going to reclaim it? This is why I personally want to wait for the weekly candle close. And yeah, heading back to this Bitcoin chart, if this actually were to play out, then technically speaking, guys, we should be coming at least back up to this point over here. But technically speaking, it should actually go all the way back to where the pattern begun. So it would be back at 31k. We need to see how it plays out over the next days and wait for that weekly candle close. So that's pretty much it for today's Bitcoin update. I hope this was a fun one for you with that. Talking about that, what's it called? The pressure washer thing, and my dog snoring in the background. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.